Being stuck at home, one thing is very evident: we do have to work, due to which we are spending most of our time on the internet. One day, I took some seeds about 3 months ago. I put them in soil and hoped that it would germinate. Turns out, it becomes a flower and then fruit. To be able to grow your own food, even if it is just a chili plant, is one of the most rewarding things you can do. When you sow a seed and then you can harvest that plant, use it for your cooking, it gives us such a sense of achievement. It doesn't always happen that you get success. Sometimes you failed. But that's alright. You have to learn from your mistake, cause that's the cycle of life. If everything were perfect, you would never learn and you would never grow. One thing that I learned from gardening is patience. You have to be patient when you are growing something, because it's not possible that you put the seed today in soil and you'll get the fruit tomorrow. It's perfectly impossible. Feel every moment to the fullest with gardening.
I have learned that no one else can carry this load. It's a train where I'm the only passenger on board.